Hey, yo, what up? It's your boy Lloyd Banks, and you're now tuned in to the #1 DJ on the planet, DJ Messiah. Let's get it.
Yeah. P.L.K. As we continue on with the 5 and Better series, Volume 4 on the way. Yeah, any day. Who won't play? Louis V. I'm skiing.
DJ Messiah.
You ain't seeing my GM and put the key in. Aim the PM. I'm treeing. Louis went 3 in. Moving the V in. Korean or sour D in. My blood temper give you a chill. So I don't give a fuck how they feel. Never have, never will. Blue steel, $250,000, leather wheel. Crazy glue your trap shut, never squeal. Bunch of disrespectful shit said until shit hit the fans. I am no more than a man. Manslaughter in no order, and my flow water aura way out of the era. Clever, invisible setter, sparkles on my sweater, herringbone stone. Shorty give me dome, then I get her. The new jack years are full of old niggas reminiscing, and the computer's the new television. And my swagger back in the day, cause the new shit got faggoty waves. Feet kick you out of the throne, gravity waves. Lip sync ships, confidentiality raised. Look around, it ain't hard to tell my life is sweet. I get down, when niggas chop your head off if you cheat, you're a clown. Beat downs, dead out on the street, and my sound shot down, heroin on the beat, no sleep. Recession hit, bet I'm gon' eat. 6'4", cheers, 7 on my feet, never know my peak.
DJ Messiah.
Answer with open arms. And every weekend's a smoke-a-thon. Money. Only thing I really been focused on. I left niggas with nothing that's really dope too long. And reborn, haters don't even get a whole song. One verse, one hearse, one burial, gone. Sapphires, I laugh by ya. I'm that flyer, my stash higher than a crack buyer. Boom, smoking from the back tire. You don't talk on the phone, you duck the tap wire. Don't fuck with the ticking time bomb. Get your picture found on, this is 50.com. My life's the bomb, a sticky cron. Got the G, the Mac with me, Mr. Don Juan.
DJ Messiah.
Утро. 17 июля 23-го года. Завершение похода 19 июля 23 года. Все классно произошло. 6 ночей позади.
2 ночи позади.
1 неделя активности на Бзерпинский Карниз и 5 радиалок получились следующим образом. 25 тысяч шагов, 18 тысяч шагов, 15 тысяч шагов, 19 тысяч шагов, 19 тысяч шагов и 11 тысяч шагов с Пихтовой на Бзерпинский Карниз и обратно 11 тысяч шагов.
Активная неделька, однако.
В вертикальном это получилось где-то 2,5 километра, даже чуть-чуть больше набора высоты. Так что такие дела.
Выпьем за это.
This is how it's gonna be. This is what you think of me. It's going down like I told you. This is how it's gonna be. I'll be the last man standing here. I'm not going anywhere. It's going down like I told you. I'll be the last man standing here. I'm gonna rock you. I'm gonna rock you. mercy, begging for mercy. Oh, I'm dangerous. So dangerous. I'm dangerous. So dangerous. I'm the baddest mother up in here, and I'm about to make it clear. It's going down like I told you. I'm the baddest mother up in here. I'm gonna rock you. I'm gonna rock you. I'm gonna rock you. I'll have you begging for mercy, begging for mercy.